In this industry, there is no shortage of stories about shady contractors. I'm here to tell you about some red flags to look out for. Hello, I'm Amador Soto, here in Edmonds, Washington at a partially completed project. And in this video, I'm going to point out signs of a bad contractor to help you make your decision. Here are some red flags to look out for. Contracts that are vague on purpose, lowball pricing, little to no Google reviews, and history of less than 5 years. Look for a contractor who provides a detailed, comprehensive contract with pricing, materials, and a realistic schedule. Certifications are also a plus. James Hardie Preferred Installer or Owens Corning Preferred Installer. As a homeowner, it's important for you to know what phase your project sits in. A contractor should be able to inform you of when the container, the honey bucket, and the materials are going to be delivered, as well as when the crew is going to start. If any accidents are to happen along the way, your contractor should be on top of it, informing you before you find out. Check online sources, Yelp, Google, BBB. Poor communication should be a deal breaker. There's comments saying your contractor has poor communication, they are not for you. Siding and roofing projects are huge investments. You should expect high quality work when getting them installed. Siding and roofing have complex systems that, when not installed correctly, could have catastrophic results. When sitting down with your estimator, look for these red flags. Contractors who are proud of their work will show their work. Online reviews will also reflect the good work that the contractor does. If your contractor isn't showing you these things, they're not for you. Construction is not an exact science. Delays are inevitable. A good contractor will help mitigate those delays. Your contractor should be able to provide you with a clear path for your project. A project should not take more than a year, but should not be done in a weekend either. Find a happy medium that makes sense to you and to the contractor. Ask your contractor how they handle bad weather, rotted sheathing, special order materials. They should have a comprehensive plan for you when dealing with these things. A huge indicator of a shady contractor is a lowball offer, a price that's just too good to be true. Watch out for costs that are too low. Could mean they're cutting corners, or there might be hidden costs down the road. It's important to note that if you decide to add on services, or if there's hidden damages, your price can increase regardless of your contractor. Now that we've discussed these issues, you may be asking yourself, how do I pick the right contractor? The #1 indicator, word of mouth. Also, reviews on Google, Yelp, certifications from manufacturers like James Hardie, Owens Corning, credentials, license, bond, insurers, and a credential from the BBB is always a plus. Look out for these when you're choosing your contractor. The right contractor will get you high quality work. The wrong contractor is going to cause headaches and stress. Visit our website to get a free estimate. Thank you for watching.